Hello everyone! In this video I will explain the cradle-to-cradle framework. The cradle-to-cradle framework focuses on creating industrial systems that are essentially positive and waste-free. As opposed to the conventional eco-efficiency, the cradle-to-cradle framework stresses eco-effectiveness. Eco-effectiveness stands for innovation, quality, design, and describes the safe and potentially infinite use of materials in cycle. The framework is inspired by nature according to the principles of an ideal circular economy. All materials used can provide nutrition for nature or industry and maximize material value. The cradle-to-cradle design is to restore continuous cycles of biological as well as technical nutrients, with long-term positive effects on profitability, the environment, and human health. In the biological cycle, also known as one of the key principles, waste equals food, materials are returned to the biosphere as nutrients from which new materials can be created. In the technical cycle, unused materials can be reprocessed to allow them to be a new product. Next to waste equals food, there are two other key principles that are used in the cradle-to-cradle framework. This is the use of solar income, which contributes to the cradle-to-cradle systems, and this celebrate diversity, where products or buildings are tailored to maximize their positive effects. How is the cradle-to-cradle framework applied in the real world? Several large Dutch companies like DSM, Ganzewinkel and Philips are starting to see the economic and environmental potential by applying the C2C concept to manufacture their products. How are they doing this? Let's take a closer look at Philips. At Philips, they keep the future in mind. They have designed the greenest TV, which is C2C inspired. They have looked at the three key principles of the cradle-to-cradle framework: waste equals food, where electronics including cables are 100% halogen-free, where the housing is mainly made from 60% post-industrial recycled aluminum, and they have designed their products for this assembly. They also have a solar charge remote control, energy-efficient accelerating adoption of renewable energy. The TV only consumes 46 watts of power. And for packaging, they are using cardboard and paper, since this is better recyclable, therefore used as packaging. I think that the cradle-to-cradle framework is going to be very profitable for the world in the future. These are my sources.